Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making fluffy slime. So I have my ginormous bottle of Elmer's glue. It's actually a whole gallon. I used some of it before because I was making slime earlier today. So with this, I have the shaving foam, contact lens solution, some foam soap, a measuring cup, I have food dyes. This food dye is completely optional, and baking soda, and then of course, a beautiful bowl. So let's get started. I'm gonna move this all the way. Don't ask me why there's butter here. It was already there. First, I'm going to take my big gallon glue and pour a quarter cup, and you can make as much slime as you want, just as long as for the glue, the shaving foam, and the baking soda, you're using the same amount. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I forgot the teaspoon because you're going to, for this recipe, you're going to need a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. I'll just put that there. You all can see it. Now, I'm going to measure a quarter cup of glue. Ooh, this is heavy. Okay. That's a little, it's more like 1/3 of a cup, but it's fine. Gosh, that looks like white paint inside the cup. Close it. I knew that closing a gallon of glue is surprisingly harder than it looks. Shake it. And take the cap off. And then squirt about a quarter cup in. Okay, that was, I don't know what to say. That's the shaving cream. And you're going to need a spoon for this next step because shaving cream doesn't just fall out of the cup. You have to scrape it into. Okay. Now I'll mix the two together. It looks fluffy already. Now I'm going to do a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Done with this for now. I'm going to just put it in the sink here. And so this is the teaspoon. I'll get a quarter teaspoon. That's 2. That's half a teaspoon. That's a quarter teaspoon. Then that. Yes, I need stuff into the kitchen sink. Okay. Don't really need to mix it a lot. This is not that much baking soda. Now I'm going to use 3 pumps of foam soap. So foam. This is what it looks like now. After you add the soap, it looks fluffy. Why does it look like melted ice cream? Now, this is optional, but I'm going to add 4 cups coloring. And I want to get the red. Red. Oh my gosh. It's leaking all over the thing. That's all leaking all over the cap. I'll wash that off. Okay. Okay. Since it's only one color, I'm going to add 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You ready? Watch it turn red. Huh? That's not red. That's not red. That's purple. Guys, that's not red. That's not red. I don't know what to say. Well, let's get on with it. Contact lens solution. Just going to squirt it on. I put it into it. Okay, now. Oh wow, I think it's ready to start kneading. Yes, again, I'm going to yeet that into the kitchen sink. More likely, actually, it's more like into a bowl that's in the kitchen sink. And in the kitchen sink. So I'm going to contact lens solution on it. And that, yes, it's going to be a little bit sticky, but it's probably going to put a lot of contact lens solution, so it's actually perfect. This is so fluffy. Look at this. It's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. Look at that. I'm not gonna heat this into the kitchen sink because it is made of glass. They're fragile glass. Not what? Did I say grass? I meant glass. No, I do not have bowls made of grass. I need some more stuff. Open up! Open up! Open up! Okay, good. It opened up. It's really shiny. And guys, I'm telling you, if you don't add the foam soap, then it won't actually turn into slime. So I feel like soap is the activator, because my friend and I made this recipe for the first time, and we forgot the soap and it didn't turn into slime. And like we were adding all this contact lens solution, we were like, why is it not turning into slime? Is this recipe a fail? Like, was it a joke? And then we're like, oh my gosh, we forgot to add the slime, not the slime. Sorry, I can't speak today. I was up really late last night. And I got up really early today. But like we forgot to add the foam soap, and we finally added it in, and like presto, now it's slime. It's really funny. This is probably the best batch of slime that I've ever made. It's a good batch of slime. really just... Where's my pocket want to spoon so badly? Sorry, my pocket caught hold of the drawer handle. Well, yeah, it was really funny. We were like, why isn't it turning into slime? We forgot something about thinking. Oh yeah, we forgot the soap. Run, get the soap. Squirt. Presto, slime. Yeah, I still have that batch of slime. Why is this ripping? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Goodbye!